Another beautiful day, fisherman. So I rode the electric bike all the way to the beach, and I have a problem, of course. Now, this type of electric bike uses what's called a hub motor. So the motor is embedded right inside the hub of the rear wheel, and these types of motors, what I've come to learn about them, having tinkered around with two different models, including another bigger version than this, is that they either get too hot or they pull too much current from the batteries through the controller. I mean, this controller can definitely handle the power. It's just that this either gets too hot or draws too much current from the battery, and that's not a good thing, because when the current drawn is too high, the voltage drops significantly and the controller will register it as a battery low scenario and shut off. So I don't think these types of hub motors are ideal for electric bikes. Well, that's just my thoughts and my experience, but so far I've enjoyed riding it. I see a scenario where I might end up taking this bike apart and mounting a smaller motor somewhere around here, somewhere around the pedals, and just using the chain drive. Now, the reason I'm saying that is smaller motors usually come with the disadvantage of a gearing system such as this one, but they can also handle the amount of power that is required to actually push a vehicle forward. That's why even electric vehicles usually have gears, so that they can use smaller motors. So yeah, that's just my take. I'm going to enjoy the beach. Have a good day.